Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule on when I work. So if you are a manager, to put people on the clock, follow these simple steps. So let's get straight into it. Now, first what you need to do, let's go to the schedule calendar icon here at the top left corner, just like that. Now find the row for the employee and the column for the date you want. So click the plus icon in that cell, just like that. We will also need to add here the names of him. So the employer name and so. But if you already have an users, what you can do is you can hover over through this calendar here. So let's say Tuesday 28, and you will see add a shift. So press add a shift, and right here now you can pop in the time. So let's say 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. like that. Now what we need to do here is we will select the position. So if we have some roles here, unassigned, no position, basically server, or if you are running the cooking firm, you can cleaner, cooker, chef, and so on. And what you will gonna do after that, you can also add here some more details about it. So if your person are looking here, it will know exactly what to do. And then when you are done with that, you can just save it or save and publish. So when you do that, also this person will see this schedule. And yeah, now if you are just an employee and you are not the manager, you can tell your boss this way when you can or cannot work. So you can schedule your schedule that people see, so from the manager and so on, when you are uh, on a vacation or something. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can schedule on when I work. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.